Why ignoring your gut leads to regret. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for joining us again today on Wisdom Minutes as we move on to the third episode on this shark series where we're getting lessons from the shark. And we're looking at the shark instinct on this third episode. Why ignoring your gut leads to regret. Sharks have a hidden advantage. They can detect electrical signals in the water. They sense life. Even when they cannot see it, their instincts guide them. Now look at human life. You felt it before, that inner signal, that quiet sense that something is right or wrong. But many people ignored it. They overthink, they doubt themselves, they second guess themselves into making the wrong decision. They wait for perfect logic and then they regret it. Think of when you ignored early warning signs in business or relationship. Those red flags you felt but couldn't fully explain at the time. Later it becomes clear you were right after all, but it was too late. Steve Jobs, for instance, was known for trusting his intuition when making bold decisions, even when others doubted him. That instinct helped shape products that change the world. That makes the difference. The shark teaches us this powerful truth. Sometimes your intuition is picking up signals your conscious mind cannot yet explain. It's not always emotion. Sometimes it is intelligence beneath the surface. Listen to your instinct. It sees ahead. And it will save you a lot of pains. A lot of had I known will not happen if you listen to your instinct. Learn from the shark. Pick signals before they become obvious. It takes a lot of boldness, it takes a lot of courage to trust your instinct, but it pays a lot when you master it and start using it, because you will be ahead of your conscious mind. And that will place you ahead of a lot of people. I hope you get lesson from the shark again today. Till I see you on the next one. Thanks so much for your time. And please, if you are new to this channel, remember to click on the subscription button and turn on your notifications so that once we post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Till I see you in the next one. Thanks so much for your time. Bye bye.